How to find restricted mode settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find restricted mode settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and then click settings and privacy, and scroll down. Here you will find digital well-being, and here you will find it restricted mode. Now all you need to do, if you want to turn it on, just click on it and click this one here, turn on, and that's it. Now just go back, and as you see, that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.